We have been asked to draw the triangle ABC. AB is 9 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter. Angle ABC is 38 degrees. Write down and measure the length of AC. That's the first part. तो सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे हम लोग एक ABC triangle draw करेंगे, correct? Remove your hand for your faces. Yes. AB is 9 centimeters. Have we done number 4? We did 4 last time? We did 4 last time?
No.
Can I see the question, please? Which question? You have here?
No, sir.
That was question 3. Yeah, Chef Dari. Okay, I haven't done it. मुझे करना है. मैं 3 सवाल हमेशा 4, 3, 4, 5 हमेशा कराता हूँ. First class से मैंने 3 कराया, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to do 4 and now I'm going to do 5. Okay, that's the target. Let's try to make it. Okay? बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. मुझे पानी चाहिए बेटा. ठीक है, आ गया. काश कुछ और मांग रहा था. Okay, AB. AB हमारे पास. I'm sorry, I had an appointment. We had an appointment. Family had an appointment at 2 o'clock. अभी फारिग हुए. X-ray वैक्से सारे बहुत कुछ चीजें थी. तो सॉरी फॉर द डिले. सो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? हम लोग AB को 9 बनाएंगे. तरीकेकार सीख लो. All newcomers concentrate the way this is outdone. बुड्ढा कहता है AB is 9 centimeter. पहले एक लाइन बना लो लंबी सी. कंपास उठाओ. Pick up your compass. Go to one side. Look here, Talera. Measure. Yeah, we already can I have a compass box. Give me a compass box. Hey, Steve, what are you here for? No, man, I don't. डब्बा नहीं चाहिए. मुझे compass चाहिए. वो इसको कहते हैं लड़की. ये है A star वाली लड़की. तुम्हारी तरह नहीं है कद्दू. लाइन दो, रूलर दे दो, नकली औरत. Okay, this is your compass. This is your ruler. इस रूलर पे मुबीन ने लास्ट टाइम क्या बोला था? लाइटर निकालो. लास्ट टाइम क्या बोला था? लास्ट टाइम I told you very clearly, do not use a lighter. Okay, we use a lighter. We warm up the lighter. This part, make it hot red. Okay, make it hot red. उसके बाद क्या बोला था मैंने आपको कि 0 वाले मार्क पे जाकर, where are my glasses? Not sunglasses, the other glasses. 0 वाले मार्क पे जाओ. Okay, and drill it. And drill it. Why do we drill it? We want to make sure. Move to the left, please. That there's a girl who can't see at the back. What's that, lefto? Right, Peto Chuchu. Okay. 0 मार्क पे जाके ड्रिल कर दिया आपने. 0 मार्क पे जाकर पेन हटा दो guys. Nobody has a pen in their hands. 0 मार्क, no photocopying here. 0 वाले मार्क पे क्या करोगे? ड्रिल कर दोगे. अब तुम्हारा 0 मार्क फिक्स हो गया. अब तुम्हें प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. 9 centimeter. AB is what? 9 centimeter की मेजरमेंट करो. क्षण. क्या करोगे? Oh, that's musical math. Okay, you go. Dre. Spach, 6, 9. Mark and arc. Go here now. 3, 3. This is my calculation, not yours. Mark and arc. Okay?
Yes.
Now you know this guy is A, this guy is, and this baby is AB. This guy is A, this guy is B, this guy is AB. This guy is 9 centimeter. Okay? This guy is? Up second part. First part of the data done. Next say BC. B से C जाओ. B से C 7 centimeters की आंख है. 7 centimeters की छोटी सी है. 3, 6, 7. तकरीबन यहाँ आर्क है. छोड़ दो. करेक्ट?
Yes.
ओके. फिर कहते हैं एंगल ABC is 38. Angle ABC is
38.
put your protector here. Put your protector here. मसला है. Go to 10, 20, 30, 38. ये आ गए 38 तेरा. मार्क लगाओ कंपास वो कंपास के प्रोटेक्टर के एक मार्क लगाओ. Remove the protector and extend the line. Extend. हमारी लाइन जैसी बदतमीज होगी. चेक करो. ओके कितनी स्ट्रेट है ना? स्टाइल है भाई का. This is B. This is. Any question?
No.
Any question?
No.
आगे क्या कह रहा बुड्ढा? Measure AC. पहले AC को कनेक्ट तो करो भाई साहब. कर दिया? No arcs.
No marks.
No arcs.
No marks.
Any question?
No.
Okay. So हर जगह तुम्हारी आंख नजर आनी है. अगर हर जगह आंख तुम्हारी नजर नहीं आ रही means what? You are go sucker watermelon. Go sucker? Okay, so you don't want to do that, do you? Now you got your AC.
वो मैंने टूट गया.
वो तुम्हारा टूट गया क्योंकि किसी को डाल दिया मार दिया तुमने. Okay, this part of the compass box. This part of the compass box is not to poke your friends. Okay, hey, Shaheen, Aisha, सुनो, hello. ऐसे नहीं करना. ये measurement के लिए. किसके लिए? Measurement के लिए होता है. Okay? Look here. अब मेहंदी अलाउड नहीं है मेरी क्लास के अंदर. पहले बता रहा हूँ मुझे एलर्जी है. उल्टियाँ कर दूंगा तो क्या करूँ? Okay, ये क्या है आपके पास? AC. इसको measure करो. रूलर कितने है भाई? यहाँ दो. ये रूलर पे गए आप. You go on to the ruler. खड्डे में फंसाया मेजरमेंट की. खड्डे में फंसाया. This is 3, 4, 5. लेंथ है पीछे हाथ से चेक करो. 5 पॉइंट कितनी आ रही है? 5.2 आनी चाहिए वैसे. 5.6 आ रही है. 3, 4, 5, 6 नहीं आ रही. 5.5 तक आ रही है. 5 को करीब आ रही है. कितनी आ रही है? 5.6 सेंटीमीटर. ओके. Okay. Read further. Prachal, loud. Read it loudly. High voice.
Find and mark clearly with the letter P the 2 points which are 6 centimeters from B and equidistant from AC and AB.
Okay, just kidding. Read the question. Now we found out this part of the question. This is 5 point something. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It's done? It's done?
Yes, sir.
ये मेरी headache नहीं है. ये तुम्हारी headache है. You have an exam. I don't, dude. I've cleared my exams very well. And I did them perfectly. What are you going to do? He says now, mark the loci with the mark P, right? Okay, loci चाहिए. क्या चाहिए? Loci. पढ़ो अंग्रेजी.
The 2 points which are 6 centimeters from B and
6 centimeters from B.
and equidistant from AC
Okay,
and AB.
first part हम इसको ले लेते हैं. Let's call this number 1. 6 centimeters from B. 6 सेंटीमीटर B से. तो क्या करेंगे? ये हो गया आपका 3. ये हो गया आपका 3. Now remember, I don't have a compass. So I will mark an arc. 6 centimeters from B. Correct?
Yes, sir.
This is 6 centimeters from. Wow, damn, Kubin, you're good here. Thanks. Okay? You got your 6 centimeter from? 6 centimeter from? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So this baby is
6
6 centimeter from? I can't hear you.
6 centimeters.
अबे ओ क्या हो गया है? खटमल काट रहे हैं तुम लोगों को. जोर से बोलो.
6 centimeters.
Loudly. Yes, 6 centimeter from B. Okay? आगे? और अच्छा.
Equidistant from AC and AB.
Are you on drugs? Huh? Yes.
And
Equidistant
equidistant from AC and AB.
from AC.
And
Equidistant from AC
and
and AB. Oh my God. Eyes on the board. Ya Sheikh. Equidistant from AC and AB. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
What is common here?
A.
What is common?
A.
I can't hear you.
A.
AC क्या है? Line है. AB क्या है? Line. Equidistant from two lines is Paracha. Angle. Equidistant from two lines is called the. He says equidistance from AB and is the angle bisector. Angle bisector का मतलब ये जो angle है इसको half करेगा. Unfortunately, the word used is construction. Okay? He says what? You can't just go there, measure the angle and divide it by lap. Lap. That's not allowed. That's so what's the method? Eyes on the board. You just go here. This is point A. You take any compass small length, mark a chun and a chun on both the lines. Same length. Got it? Shake your heads. You. Shake your heads. Not you. You. Then go here, mark another chun and another chun. Okie dokie? Okie dokie? Do you understand? First chun goes here. Second chun goes same length. Then go here, take a particular length, any length. कोई वो भी same length भी हो सकती है. Do this chun and chun. Got it? This point and this point. क्या करेगा? क्या करोगे? You will connect it. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So we have to find loci and red one. We have to find loci, and he says Mobi is 6 centimeters from B. Okay? If he says 6 cent, you sit straight. You sit straight. Okay? Straight. Thanks. 6 centimeters from B must be on this line. दो कंडीशन दी है कि लड़की 5'6" हो और लंबे बाल हो. दो कंडीशंस. 6 centimeter from B हो और equidistant from AC and AB. कॉमन क्या है हमारे पास? तो A पे क्या बनेगा? एंगल बाइसेक्टर. तुमने क्या किया? ये लाइन बना दी. Got it? Got it? Now read the question again, Paracha. Read the question again.
Find and mark clearly with the letter P the 2 points.
The 2 points. Hello, my friends. What did he say? दो लड़कियां कैटेगरी में आ रही हैं. एक ये मिस बी है और एक ये मिस बी है. Because he should be on this line, on the curve and on the line. दो conditions meet कर रही हैं. I repeat myself. Sit straight, darling. दो conditions meet कर रही हैं. Straight. Teachers के सामने लेटे हुए attitude के साथ नहीं होता. You never learn anything in your life. दो conditions meet कर रही हैं. Number 1 condition 6 सेंटीमीटर बी से होना चाहिए. तो कहाँ होना चाहिए? इस कर्व पे. और equidistant from AB and AC कहाँ होना चाहिए? इस लाइन पे. So I'm going to do this and I'm going to do this. These are the 2 points which satisfy the 2 conditions. What's the conditions? 6 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम बी, कर्व पे होना चाहिए, आर्क पे होना चाहिए, और ए बी और ए सी से इक्विडिस्टेंट, इसे हमने लाइन पे होना चाहिए। तो दो कंडीशंस कहां मीट कर रही है, एक ये है और एक, एनी क्वेश्चन,
No, sir.
एनी क्वेश्चन,
No, sir.
पढ़ो आगे।
6 centimeters from B and equidistant from AC and AB.
हो गया ना, आप क्या चार दफा करूं? पार्ट आगे पढ़ो।
The point Q, which lies inside the triangle ABC, it's
Stop. There's a point Q. Concentrate. There's a point.
Q.
ये तो P के चांसेस हैं, P1, P2. Are you with me?
Yes.
Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
कहता है, अब सुनो क्या कह रहा है बेटा, कहता है mark the point Q, letter Q with,
which lies inside the triangle ABC.
okay, everybody eyes on the board. दूसरा वाला रेड वाला देखो, inside the triangle. Is everybody with me? Now Q is inside the triangle. Farzana, Shabana, Zulekha, everybody concentrate here. Jazila, concentrate. Sit straight, Jazil, you're taller than that. Don't go like, hi, मैं गिर रही हूँ. ABC है. घर पे मुझे पता है आप लोग कैसे वीडियो ले रहे होते हैं, ऐसे रेड कर. In the classroom, you're supposed to be straight, because when you absorb things in a straight position, you are able to reproduce in the examination in the same posture. जो examination posture होता है, ऐसे बंदा काम करता है. उसी posture में आप सीखते भी हैं. जो अंदर जाता है, उसी posture में बाहर आता है. This is one of the ways of learning. Okay? Do. Read again. Inside the triangle ABC,
Is such that its distance from B is less than 6 centimeters.
okay, distance from B. अब मुझे conditions बता रहा है. Conditions बता रहा है मुझे ये. क्या conditions बता रहा है? कि मुबीन साहब, Q is inside the triangle. So if you talk about being inside the triangle, we can have question mark, hash, star और exclamation mark. चार regions नजर आ रहे हैं triangle के अंदर. Okay, okay?
Yes, sir.
सबसे पहले attitude ये कहता है क्या? Attitude ये कहता है कि मुबीन साहब, पहले मैं अपना attitude इस तरीके से करूं कि उसने मुझे बोला कि Q is inside the triangle. Now when I have drawn the triangle, I have four options. واحد, اثنين, ثلاثة, أربعة. Q can be in any position. I don't know. Do I know?
No.
I read. He says it should be less than 6 centimeters from B. ये 6 centimeters from B है. Less than 6 क्या होगा? Exclamation mark here. Are you with me? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
ऐड करो ना, क्या हो गया? ऐड करने में प्रॉब्लम है क्या? पहले तो लेट आए, मैं लेट आया, मुझसे भी लेट आए लोग. ओए मतलब मैं सेठ आदमी हूं, उससे भी बड़े सेठ है लोग. आराम से बेहतरीन है. इंशाल्लाह 15-16 महीनों में बेबी बॉर्न हो जाएगा आपका. एलिफेंट से भी ले लोगे आप. भाई साहब यहाँ देखें यार, आप लेस देन 6 centimeters from B. Less than 6 centimeters from B means what? It could be an exclamation mark region or
Star.
anywhere. Any question?
No, sir.
Is everybody shaking your head? You need to shake your head. Don't sit there like Cornetto का रुका हुआ है. भाई, respond. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Good. Everybody online. Are you with me? Everybody online.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Relax with me.
Yes, sir. With you.
Now, please respond. Okay? Yesterday also, I had a very long counseling session with my own personal daughter, my own daughter. Personal daughter. Daughter. I said the same thing. Sit straight. I said the same thing to her. I said, यार, उस टीचर है पढ़ाना चाह रहा ऑनलाइन, खुदा के वास्ते, put your camera on, put your mic on, don't sit there like a jelly. Sit there straight, participate with the teacher is waiting for your response. It's not easy teaching, it's not easy teaching online. Especially जब आपकी जो IQ जो हो below sea level हो. At least respond. Okay? Got it? पढ़ो आगे.
Is less than 6 centimeters and is nearer to AC than AB.
Oh, nearer to AC? Then
AB.
this is the line. Ajud, Majud, Kajud, Tajud, tada, 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 puppy power. This line is the fine division of equidistance AB and AC. He says no, Moby, he is closer to AC than
AB.
closer to AC क्या होगा? Closer to AC क्या होगा? Question mark? Yeah? But of course question mark reject हो गया है और exclamation after what is common?
Exclamation mark.
What is common?
Exclamation mark.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
This is my region. Any question, Baba? Shade this and write down Qureshi Sahib. You. Any question?
No, sir.
Any question?
No, sir.
Read the next part. I know there is no next part. Got the way?
Yes, sir.
Did you learn something today?
No, sir.
Good. You have exactly 1.5 minutes to do this question again your way. You don't do this live, you're lost. You don't do this live, you're lost. पहले एक आंख मार्क करो, यहां जाओ, फिर दूसरी आंख मार्क करो. Got it? No arcs. You won't forget this. You know? I'm doing the last part again. Put your pens down for 10 seconds only. He says in English, when I say put your pens down, I mean look at me as well. Just don't put the pen down and say, hi, it's two down. Look here. Thanks. He says, I want the left side. Mark the point, Qureshi. It must be closer to B. It must be less than 6 centimeters from B. So question mark, rejected. Hash, rejected. Reject हो गया. Condition तुम्हारी ये है कि जो खूबसूरत बंदी शैला है, she must be 5 foot 6 inches. चलो भाई, पराठा से लंबी है. ठीक है, बात समझ आ गई? तो ये reject हो गया. You looking for the treasure? Where is the treasure? Is 6 centimeters closer to B. It is less than 6 centimeters from B. Maximum 6 centimeters from
B.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? This area and this area. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then he says it's closer to AC than AB. This is the line which goes right through the middle, equidistant. He says closer to B than 6 centimeters, okay? तो ये बंदे रिजेक्ट हो गए. फिर कहता है जी closer to AC. AC के करीब कौन सा है? ये करीब है या करीब है?
Exclamation.
तेरी मेहरबानी. क्या? अदाब. AC करीब, ये करीब है या ये करीब है? ये करीब है ना? खत्म. Correct? जल्दी मार्क करो. Okay, this question is big in size. Please concentrate. And you have to shake your head yes when you understand. We have a quadrilateral.
ABCD.
Quadrilateral. A, baby, cat, donkey.
It is given that AB is equal to 90 meters.
AB is equal to 90 meters. Okay.
AD is equal to 70 meters.
AD is equal to 70 meters. Okay.
Angle BAD is equal to 115 degrees.
I'm bad. Is equal to how much?
115 degrees.
115 degrees. Okay.
angle ABC is equal to 100 degrees.
Angle ABC is equal to
100 degrees.
100 degrees
And,
or
and angle ADC is equal to 85 degrees.
ADC is equal to 85, 85 degree. There's a quadrilateral. We have 4 sets of data. Now you don't have to look in the book. Get your zulfi on the sides and concentrate. Sit down straight. Concentrate. AB is equal to 90. मैं 90 तो नहीं बना सकता. So I have to use a scale. I have to use a scale. I write down 1 centimeter represents 10 meters. This is my scale. Okay? They will ask you, part 1, write down the scale you are drawing. On your diagram, you draw a scale. Sometimes, Shamil, second morning ho gayi hai, third morning mein bahar ja rahe. Sit straight, Paracha, look at me. They will sometimes give you a diagram. I'm here. I'm not down. Look at me. They will sometimes give you a diagram. Again, stop playing with your hands. They will sometimes give you a diagram. It's got a scale to it. So you'll have to play in the same ratio. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now listen to me. He says AB is 90. Again the same thing. If 1 centimeter is 10, then 90 meters is
9 centimeters.
Yee-hoo! Okay? Is everybody with me? So I draw the line. I? मेरे साथ है?
Yes, sir.
Why do I draw the line? Because I have to make arcs. Starting from here, 3, 6, 9. 1 arc here. Go back here. Mark a second arc here. 100% sure that this is 90.
Yes, sir.
Is everybody with me?
Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what's your problem? Put that hand down. What are you trying to do? उठो वहां से सामने आओ. पीछे उठा ही नहीं सकते भाई, इसकी कंसंट्रेशन लेवल 0 है. ये बर्गर खाते खाते ना फ्राइज चबाना शुरू कर देगा दूसरों के टेबल से. यहाँ तो जल्दी फटाफट. Come on. Sir, move. I don't have time. Move fast. I don't need you to construct it. Come here. Sit down. वानिया तुम्हारे आशीर्वाद लेते हुए पीछे फटाफट. और आंखें खोल के, आंखें जैसे थोड़ी ठंडा पानी निकालो. ठंडा पानी ये रखा हुआ है सर. अगर आपकी आंखें खुली नहीं, ठंडा पानी फेंकूंगा आपके ऊपर. Everybody concentrate. Now what problem is that ये बच्चा जो है ना हमारा स्पेशल बच्चा है, ठीक है, सोता रहता है. 90 meters. Got it?
Yes, sir.
First amount of data done. AD is 70. A to D is
70.
okay. Where is AD? I don't know. But I know if I start with A and this is BB, I start with the longest. I know AD is 70. 70 का मतलब क्या हुआ? 7 meters. 7 centimeters. 1, 2. Risato? This is 17. Yeah. Okay?
Yes, sir.
I make a full arc. Why full arc? Because मुझे नहीं पता D कहाँ है. I don't know where D is. I don't know where.
Yes.
ये कितना है? ये कितना है? 7 है. मुझे नहीं पता कहाँ है. मुझे सिर्फ पता है एक क्वाड्रिलैटरल है AB
CD.
I know there is one quadrilateral. That is the only info I have. That is the only info I have. Okay? I have one quadrilateral and that's the only info I have. Okay? So D is somewhere here. Then he says angle band. Okay. BAD. BA. D कुछ ऊपर है 115 क्या कह रहा है holy shit I put up my compass I put up my protractor here okay I put the protractor on here I know this is the 90 mark people make mistakes this is 90 this is 100 this is 115 this is the points I repeat B A how much is this आवाज नहीं आ रही
115 degrees.
115
degrees.
it has to be an obtuse angle let it go baby मसलश्ते okay सब मेरे साथ है ना सिर्फ इस सवाल की वजह से पिछले 12 साल से we are getting this part painted this part because every time I do this question there'll be arcs over here there'll be arcs on the page on the watch this is question number 5 exercise 5.4 low side stay with me he says in English D is 115 and D is how much? D is how much?
70.
70. So I'm 100% sure this is D for ding dong. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You don't need to have a pen in your hands. You go here 7 centimeter पे आग थी angle बनाए 115 you're 100% sure this is D. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then he says, we use this, ABC is 100. A, B, you don't need this arc this big, huh? By the way. So clean the board out. ABC is 100. So this is the guy. I put my projector here. I put my, as my friend said, D. Okay, D. Okay, this is a 90. Is it a 90?
Yes, sir.
Okay. He says, no, we want 100. Abracadabra, cabra. ABC is
100 degrees.
so you go here. You see this mark? Sabarka. You see this mark? This is the 90. And this guy is the 100. Is the
100.
जाने दो क्या पूछो वहां से हुज़ैफा सामान उठाओ come out without your stuff come on चला दो इसको you come back with your parents to meet me no classes suspended class out don't show me your face go sit in the reception इसका सामान उठा देना बाद में so this is जरा ज्यादा हो गया एंगल में जरा कम कर दूं this is how much
100 degrees.
100 degrees this is 90 this is 100 okay I know C is somewhere in the हवा में I know C is somewhere in the air okay
Yes, sir.
are you with me but remember this line must go straight huh ये टेढ़ी हो गई थी किसी ने मुझे बोला नहीं कि सीधी कर देता टेढ़ी हो गई थी ना अब सीधी होगी है? अभी भी टेढ़ी है? अब सही है? हो सका लेमन मैं यहाँ बगैर किसी चीज के बना रहा हूँ, मेरा थोड़ी टेढ़ी। अनबिलीवेबल यार, अनबिलीवेबल यार। मतलब आपको किसी की जरूरत ही नहीं है, तुम बहुत अच्छी सास बनोगी बड़ी होके, कंफर्म है। हर चीज जो तुम्हारी बनाएगी ना उसमें से कीड़े निकालेगी। अनबिलीवेबल यार। अच्छा ये हो गया हमारे पास यहाँ तक। ABC is 100, ABC is 100, ADC is 85। कहता है A से B से C की तरफ 85 है। क्या लगाओगे? एक चीज याद रखना, बी वेरी केयरफुल यार। ये क्या है? 85 इससे कम होगा। अच्छा 85 इससे लगा दो टक। बोले कोई टेढ़ा है? टेढ़ा है, ओके। दिस पॉइंट इज, इससे मुश्किल गोरा नहीं देता सवाल। Whether you go for EdExcel, you go for IGCSE, you go for Cambridge, you go for the London, you go for combined boards, it doesn't matter. You go for Singapore board, which is the toughest, उससे मुश्किल नहीं होगा, इससे मुश्किल नहीं देगा। You understand? This is his limits, but you still need exposure. You guys should come up and say, Mobi, एक 2 घंटे का सेशन ले, उसमें खड़े होके आप हमें 5-6 सवाल और कराएं दो साल के। This is what you should say. It should come out from you. It should come out from a guy who wants, a person who wants an A star. Say, Mobi, give us an extra class. हमें लोसा के 5 सवाल करा दें, हमें वेक्टर्स के 6 सवाल और करा दें आप। बोलूंगा आइसक्रीम खिला दो, क्या बोलूंगा? Okay, so this is how it is. A, baby, cat, donkey. Done? अब पार्टी शुरू हुई है। पढ़ो सवाल। सॉरी एलिमिनेशन लाउडली।
Using a scale of 1 centimeter to represent 10 meters.
अच्छा ठीक है, यहाँ उसने स्केल दे दिया हमें। Draw the quadrilateral ABCD। आगे।
On your diagram, draw part 1, the locus which represents points 80 meters from B.
80 meters from B। फरहान, इस तरफ आओ। फराचा अंदर जाओ। फरहान, इसके बाद आप नीचे देखेंगे तो आप शयान के साथ नीचे जा रहे हैं, ठीक है? सही है? बल्कि आप चौकीदार की कुर्सी पे जाके बैठ जाइएगा। He says 80 centimeters from 80 meters from
B.
80 क्या होता है?
8 centimeters.
30 60 80। Okay? This is 90. This must be 80. Okay? मिल जब आप लिक्विड फॉर्म में थी ना उस वक्त से बढ़ा रहा हूँ यार, ठीक है? Okay, guys, ready? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay? This is 80 centimeters from, write this down, 80 meters from, 80 meters from
B.
baby. Okay? Okay? Am I talking to the wall?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Next part. Elimination.
Part 2, the locus which represents points equidistant from C and D.
Oh! Put the control. C and
B.
equidistant from C and D. मुसीबत आ गई ना? आ गई ना मुसीबत?
Perpendicular.
Whenever the Gora says equidistant from D, C and D,
Yes, sir.
from C and from
D.
C भी एक पॉइंट है और D भी एक पॉइंट है। So what does that mean? Perpendicular. Repeat after me. Perpendicular. Perpendicular. Equidistant from C and from D is the perpendicular.
Bisector.
कैसे बनाओगे? छन। आप समझ में है क्या होने वाला है पेड़ के साथ? पूरा पड़ा हो पेड़ का। सी और डी के हाफ वे मार्क से जरा सा ज्यादा एक ऊपर आंख मार्क कर दो। हर साल होता है पेंट। ओके, सी और डी से हाफ वे मार्क से ज्यादा एक आंख मार्क कर दो हवा में, और डी से जाकर उसी लेंथ पे एक और आंख मार्क कर दो। आवाज आ रही है या नहीं आ रही? ऊपर भी यही करोगे और so this is the perpendicular
Bisector.
this point मेरे बाल ब्लैक हो जाएंगे। और क्या क्या कहां से निकल रहा है भाई? Very nice. Thank God I'm wearing black. But I would have made you black. Further. Eyes on the board. Idiot. तुम चेक नहीं किया था मार्कर? क्या क्या चेक किया था? पैम्पर चेक किया था उसका? Idiot. So look here everyone. We have this arc. Thank you Vijay, मजाक कर रहा हूँ. We have this mark. वहां से एक आर्क मार्क की. All first time bisectors. वहां से एक आर्क मार्क की. उसी साइड से यहां से एक आर्क मार्क की. The point where they intersect. दोनों पॉइंट्स को क्या किया? दोनों पॉइंट्स को क्या किया? कनेक्ट कर दिया और let it go right through. Let it go. Ready? This is the final one. This is the बाकी हटा दूंगा, ठीक है? Do you understand? Do you understand, guys? What is this? Perpendicular bisector of C and
D.
line CD. Line CD. ठीक है? ठीक है पुत्र? Means that every point on this line has the same distance from C as from
D.
as from C और D से बराबर बराबर. C और D से are you with me?
Yes, sir.
पढ़ो अली बिन अशर.
Label the point of these loci with the letter M.
Okay, with the letter
M.
loci. Loci is the plural of locus. Locus means one condition. Loci means multiple conditions. What multiple condition? Where's your book? Take it up. आंखें पढ़ी? आंखें पढ़ ली मेरी? The condition is very simple. There are two conditions. 70 meters from
B.
first condition was 80 meters from
B.
first condition was first condition was
80 meters from B.
second condition is
Equidistant from C.
love you. So that means what? It must be on this line. It must be on this line. Ooh. M. Must flash there. Correct? Correct?
Yes, sir.
दोनों कंडीशन मीट की है मुबीन मुबशर. हम नाम बेवकूफ इंसान. अरे यार सब कुछ होने के बाद बोलता है रोमियो मरती औरत थी. अबे यार परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर सी पे जाके एक लेंथ आधी लेंथ से ज्यादा पे ऊपर आंख मार्क करो, नीचे आंख मार्क करो. उसी लेंथ का डी से एक आंख ऊपर मार्क करो और नीचे मार्क. उसी लेंथ को हिलाओ मत कंपास को. टेक योर कंपास, गो टू छन छन, गो सेम लेंथ छन छन. जब दोनों मोहब्बत करते हैं उनको कनेक्ट कर दें, ठीक है? दे आर गोइंग टू बी कनेक्टेड. When the two arcs intersect, You connect them. Okay, मुझे सर्दी लग रही है. Two arcs intersect. Any question?
No, sir.
Last part. पढ़ो.
A point N on the playground is equidistant from BC and CD and is such that angle
BC and
CD
equidistant from BC. आवाज नहीं आ रही. BC
and CD.
and CD. What's common?
CD.
I can't hear you.
CD.
Equidistant from BC and
CD.
what is common? इसको भरो थोड़ा सा. What is common?
CD.
So BC or CD equidistant means angle,
Bisector.
means angle,
Bisector.
angle.
Bisector.
तो क्या करोगे? क्या करोगे? कुछ नहीं. B से यहाँ एक आर्क. Ready, steady, go. B से यहाँ आर्क. Oh, English. B or C, yeah. BC and CD. So BC and CD. My bad. यहाँ से जाओ एक आर्क मार्क करो क्षण. क्षण. तो यहाँ एक आर्क मार्क करो क्षण. यहाँ से आर्क मार्क करोगे क्षण. You understand? यहाँ से आर्क. यहाँ से आर्क. एक आर्क यहाँ से. एक आर्क. Are you with me? Interesting. Arc. Arc. Wait, moving to board chair. Thanks. Okay.
And is such that angle
अबे रुक जा भाई. This is the arc and this is the arc. Okay? यहाँ से जो मार्क किया तुमने. Okay? Connect this, straight शादी. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Equidistant from BC. Actually बनना यहाँ चाहिए. सही बन रहा था पहले. मेरे इधर से गड़बड़ कर दिए. BC है. हाँ मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ये कह रहा है. ठीक है? Eyes on the board. This is how it goes. घटाना बाकी चीज़. ठीक है? Now, this angle is equal to. Okay? Okay?
Yes, sir.
पढ़ो आगे.
And is such that angle A and B to 90 degrees.
A and B is equal to 90. A and B is equal to.
90 degrees.
Okay. For 2 seconds, we're moving the camera to this side, please. Camera को stop करो. Okay, guys. For 2 seconds. When I make a circle, everybody concentrate. When I'm making a circle, I know this is what? A, B. This is the diameter of the.
Circle.
If this is the diameter of the circle, this makes it a center of the circle.
Yes, sir.
आवाज नहीं आ रही, तस्वीर आ रही है. Is this the center of the circle?
Yes, sir.
अगर AB diameter है, are you on drugs? I am pretty sure you don't want to give Cheyenne company right now, Shaman. You want to give Shaman company? Thanks. This is the center of the circle. This is diameter, right? If I go and make an arc here, this is a semicircle, correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
If I go and make an angle here, oh sorry, my bad. If I go and connect this, what is this angle?
90.
I'm sorry?
90.
Who told you that? What is this?
90.
What is this?
90.
What is this?
90.
Who told you that? Yeah, it's a rule for geometry. That's why I told you. Can I have a cell phone, please? Is the cell phone लीजिए? It's a cell phone. OS ये जाकर हिनाक वैसे रखवा दें. It's confiscated for a week, okay? जाए, bring it. Hello. This is a 90. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
90, 90, 90, 90. Okay?
Yes, sir.
वाहिद अत्यंत चलाता. अरे भाई जितने भी बनाओगे क्या मिलेगा?
90.
क्योंकि सेमी सर्कल पे एंगल क्या होता है हमेशा?
90 degrees.
ऑलवेज इज अ। अब वापस सवाल पढ़ो।
A point N on the playground is equidistant from BC and CD and is such that angle A and B is equal to 90 degrees.
ओहो, एंगल ए
NB is equal to 90 degrees.
A and B is a 90. Angle A, remove your cell phones from your circulation. This is A, this is B. N is some guy in the air. And the angle A and B is always.
90
Did he
degrees.
say always? No?
He didn't say always.
He didn't say always.
Written and is such that angle A and B is equal to 90 degrees.
He didn't say always. But Tamiz ne always nahi likha. He doesn't need to write always. This is a word I give you to explain always 90. मतलब के A and B. A and B. A and B. ओ, क्योंकि हम लोसाई के साथ खेल रहे हैं, इसलिए एंगल बना रहे 90. वरना एंगल ऑलवेज का वर्ड नहीं इस्तेमाल करने की जरूरत. दैट मीन्स A B must be the diameter. A B must be the diameter. Is that with me? Yes, sir. अगर A and B 90 है और तुम्हें नहीं पता N कहां है, तो कहां होगा? कहां होगा? अगर मोबी तुम A B को सेमी सर्कल बना दोगे डायमीटर, तो फिर तुम्हें पता चल जाएगा. और सेमी सर्कल के लिए क्या करना पड़ता है? अरे भाई
डिस्टेंस की क्लास स्टार्ट हो गई है.
आप 10 सेकंड रुक जाए, हमको बोले वेट कर ले, या आप ये मिस कर ले, कोई मसला नहीं है. आपको मिस करना है, मिस कर ले, कोई मसला नहीं है. No, nothing lost. I don't lose it. You can get the recording later on. O से A radius, O से B. So this means you need to trace down an O. A और B तो डायमीटर है. सर्कल बनाने के लिए तुम्हें कहां जाना है? Center of the. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you want A and B a 90, you need to make a semicircle. Ranjay, looking for you. If they want to make A and B a 90, if you want to make A and B a 90, then you need to make a semicircle. And when you need to make a semicircle, then you need to go to the center of the circle. फिर ही तो आर्क बनाओगे. और सेंटर में जाने के क्या है? ये कितने का बदमाशी थी इसकी? ओह 90, तो मतलब 90 मींस 9 सेंटीमीटर, तो 4.5. यहां से जाओ 4.5 पे आर्क मार्क करो. यहां से जाओ, आवाज आ रही है, तस्वीर आ रही. ब्लू वाले मार्कर्स दो, ब्लू वाले मार्कर्स दो हैं. यहां से जाओ, एक आंख यहां मार्क करो. यहां से जाओ 4.5 पे एक आंख मार्क करो. You got to the center. This guy is what?
Oh.
Go there and make a. Now you know that A and B must be 90. This must be, this must be, this and this must be. Why? It must be on the circumference of a semicircle. It must be on the circumference of a
Semicircle.
ये चीज है, ये सवाल लेवल 6 का है. इसको समझने की कोशिश करो. अगर लेवल 6 का सवाल कर सकते हो तो लेवल 5 4 3 2 हलवा है. A and B is 90 and they said and यहां क्यों होगा? हमने कहा जी कि जी सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ सर्कल में होगा, सेमी सर्कल में होगा. And he said equidistant from CD and BC and CD is equidistant, means it must be on this. It must be on this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Should it be on that line?
Yes.
So that means it should be on that line and it should be on the arc. So what's the common point? Exactly. Okay? This is the point N. That's the point. This is तुमने दो कंडीशन से N निकाली, equidistant from CD and CB, and angle A and B must be a angle A and black देना. Angle A and B must be a angle A and B must be a 90 और इसमें भी होना चाहिए दो कंडीशन. Equidistant from C and D इस लाइन पे होना चाहिए, M की बात कर रहे थे, और 80 meters from B इस पे होना चाहिए. तो ये तुम्हारा M आ गया मोबी और ये तुम्हारा N आ गया नॉटी. Correct? Read the last part. Calculate the distance MN.
Yes. Measure and write down the length and
ये औकात बढ़ेगी. Calculate the distance.
mm.
You pick up that thing. What's that thing? Sleeping away like a hippopotamus. In my class, you're sleeping.
I'm not sleeping.
You pick this up, plug it here, put it on the ruler. कितना आ रहा है? 3.2 point something. तो कितना आ रहा है वहां? पीछे आंसर चेक करो. 24 meters आ रहा है. ये डिस्टेंस मेरा आ रहा है 2.4 सेंटीमीटर्स. मेरा कितना आ रहा है 2.4
centimeters.
तो मीटर्स में कितना होगा? He said calculate distance. Calculate the distance. mn. ये डिस्टेंस निकालना है. मेरा 3 से कम आ रहा है, 2.5 के करीब, 2.4 के करीब आ रहा है. पीछे आंसर क्या है? 2.4 centimeters.
Yes, sir.
Actually, it's 24 meters.
Yes.
Don't make that with mn. mn is 2. रियलिटी चेक देनी है आपने मीटर वाली. सेंटीमीटर तो स्केल में बनाया है, तुमने कंस्ट्रक्ट कर लिया. 2.4 सेंटीमीटर लिखोगे या 24. एनी क्वेश्चन? इसी सवाल का आखिरी पार्ट है. नेक्स्ट क्लास टू बी कंटिन्यूड.